Enter the ClassE platform at classe.world/Ian. Click Login at the top. Enter the login details you received from the teacher and click Login. On the screen that opens, you will see the exercises that have been assigned to you. Select the exercise you were asked to complete and click Start. The exercise questions will now open for you. Answer the questions according to the instructions and click Check at the end of each question. You will receive immediate feedback on your answer with an explanation if the answer was incorrect. The system will also check your open-ended questions and provide you with feedback. If you answered correctly, the system will automatically move to the next question. Note that you can see your progress at the top. The bar shows the results of your answers, whether you were correct or incorrect. If your answer is incorrect, the system will always show you an explanation of what the mistake was and ways to improve, as well as the full correct answer and the solution method. Click Finish and move to your Success dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see your score and the various skills covered in the exercise. For each skill, you will see your level of mastery. Click on Continue to another exercise to try again to tackle questions you did not succeed on. This way you can also improve your result. The additional exercise will show you the questions you got wrong again. You will see the answer you gave, the full correct answer, and its solution method. Click Go to try a similar question again. You will now receive a similar question that you can answer again. Answer and click Check. Continue and answer all the additional questions presented to you. For every question you got wrong, you have 2 more opportunities to correct it, after which you will be transferred to the next question. At the end of all the questions, you will be taken back to your Success dashboard. You can see if you have improved your score and again, your level of mastery of the different skills. Practice and succeed.